Hello, welcome to BananaCrystal. In this video, you will be shown how to create a Buy USD offer. On the dashboard, navigate to the bottom left and click on P2P. For continuation, click on the Create Offer tab. Select the Buy USD tab and also select the payment method you want to use in receiving your funds. You can either select bank transfer or other payment method. You can select your existing bank account or you add a new bank account to receive your funds. Select your preferred currency for the offer. After selecting your preferred currency for the offer, click on Next to proceed. Select Market Price to ensure your rate changes with the exchange rate fluctuations, and also you can select Fixed Price to lock your rate permanently. Input the minimum amount you want to buy USD from users, and also ensure to input the maximum amount you want to buy USD from users. Use the margin to set the profit you want to gain, or use the custom rate to set your price. Input your nickname and also ensure to input your personal terms and conditions for the trade. Click on Submit tab and your offer is created successfully. Thank you for watching.